What to see in Piedmont? 5 unmissable places. Piedmont is one of the most important regions of the Italian peninsula, a land rich in history and culture, as witnessed by its 1,000 monuments. But Piedmont is also a land of extraordinary scenic and natural beauty, a land we could say, kissed by God. So what are you waiting for to follow us on our adventurous journey? Number 1. Turin. Capital of art and culture. Turin is the capital of Piedmont and is a city rich in history and culture. Numerous and important are its monuments, among which it is necessary to remember the cathedral that houses the Holy Shroud, the real Church of San Lorenzo, the Sanctuary of the Consolata, and the Mole Antoniana. The Piedmontese capital also offers us a large number of museums to visit, such as the Egyptian Museum, the GAM, Palazzo Madama, to name just a few of the most important names. Number 2. Lake Maggiore and the Borromean Islands. Among the beautiful landscapes of the Piedmont region, Lake Maggiore is certainly not to be missed, a heavenly place that will make your holiday more rewarding and relaxing. A must-visit are the small towns that overlook the lake, such as Stresa and Verbania and, above all, the Borromean Islands, spearheads of Lake Maggiore, for their historical and naturalistic charm. Among these, La Bella Island and La Madre Island are unmissable. Number 3. The Sanctuary of Europa. One of the unmissable stops on your tour in Piedmont is definitely the Sanctuary of Europa, Biella. Built in the 4th century on the sacred Mount of Europa by order of Saint Eusebius, the sanctuary is divided into several sections to visit: the Treasury Museum, the ancient and new basilica, the royal apartment, etc. Last but not least, the 14th century statue of the Black Madonna, a masterpiece of medieval sculpture. Number 4. The Sacra di San Michele. One of the most enigmatic and fascinating places in Piedmont is the Sacra di San Michele, built between the end of the 10th and the beginning of the 11th century on Mount Perciriano, in Val di Susa, municipality of Sant'Ambrogio di Torino. The main attractions of the Sacra di San Michele are the Foresteria, the new church, the Balalda Tower, and the Nuovo Monastero. Number 5. Stupinigi, the Palazzina di Caccia. To be truly satisfied with your trip to Piedmont, a visit to the splendid and elegant Palazzina di Caccia of Stupinigi, which is located in the municipality of Nicciolino in the province of Turin, is a must. The building was commissioned by Vittorio Amidio to the architect Filippo Iovera, one of the last followers of the Italian and European Baroque, a fundamental step to breathe the atmosphere experienced by one of the most important Italian families. Subscribe to our channel for more similar videos.